In this video, we are going to see about set operation. What are the types of set operation available in Python? First one is union or update. Second one is intersection update. Third one is difference or difference update. Fourth one is semantic difference or semantic difference update. First, we see about union. As we learned before, union is like when we give two sets, it combines the both the set. Many were learned in the mathematics. Okay, now take this example. If set A is 257 and set B is 1257, then what will be the union? The total of A and B, that is 1 2 5 7 8. See here, I have given the example. My set 1 is equal to 1 comma 8 comma 2 comma 5, and my set 2 is equal to 7 comma 2 comma 5. Now union 1 is equal to my set dot union of my set 2. Okay, to do a union operation, we want to give the set 1 dot union keyword, that is union function of my set 2. Okay, or else we can obtain the same expression through set 1, just a straight line. Okay, and set 2. See here, union 1. First we are printing union 1. 1 2 5 7 8, and then we are printing union 2. 1 2 5 7 8. Okay, these both two expressions are same, but we are changing the union function into a operator, just a straight line. Now see this example, we are doing a update. In the previous example and in this example, there is a single difference. The single difference is, in the previous example, we will store the result in a separate variable, but during this update function, we will store the result in the existing set. Okay, see here, my set 1 dot update of my set 2. In this, we will do a union of this both and store in my set 1. Okay, see here, I am just printing my set 1 1 2 5 7 8. Okay, now going to the intersection operation. Now see this diagram. Set A is 1 2 3 4 5. Set B is 1 3 9 12. Now doing the intersection between these, what are the common terms? 1 and 3. Now see this example, 1 2 3 4 5, and B is 1 3 9 12. Intersection 1 is equal to A dot intersection B. Now I have used the intersection function, then I have stored in the intersection 1 variable. Then we can achieve that in alternative way by using ampersand symbol. Okay, by using ampersand symbol. So by using ampersand symbol, we can achieve the intersection. Now see here, both the results are 1 and 3. Now we are going to see about intersection update. Intersection update will just give the result and store the result in the existing set. That is, in this expression, A dot intersection update of B, it will find the intersection of A and B and store the result in A. Okay, then print of A comma B. Now A has 1 comma 3, that is the result of A intersection B, and what is the result? What is the value of B? It is 1 3 12 9. It is as similar to the value of B. Okay, there is no change in B, but the changes are done in A. Why? We find the A intersection B and store in A. Okay, now difference of set. Now see here, if we give A minus B, that is A difference of B, then we must subtract the terms in the B And what are the terms remained in A will be the answer. See in this example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, difference 1 is equal to A dot difference of B. Now, it is equal to A minus B. That is in this example. See here, A has a value of 1, 2, 3, 4, and B has a value of 3, 4, 5, 6. Just see the common terms in both. They are 3 and 4. Okay, just remove that in A and give the result of remaining terms in the A. Now, what are the results? That are 1 and 2. We can achieve by using minus operator also. So, see here, difference 1 is equal to A dot difference of B, and difference 2 is equal to A minus B. They both results the same values. Okay, see here 1 and 2. Now, what is the purpose of difference update? Difference update will store the result in the existing set. See here, A dot difference update of B. The result will be stored in A. See here, A is changed to 1, 2. Now, symmetric difference. In symmetric difference, it will just takes the value in both A and B set without taking the intersection values. See here, in this example, 4, 5, 2, 8 are the values of A. And what are the values of B? They are 2, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now, what are the common values in both? They are 2 and 8. Remove them and take the all other values. What are all other values? 4, 5, 6, 7. Hence, the result will be 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, see this example. Symmetric difference 1 is equal to A dot symmetric difference B. Okay. I am doing the symmetric difference for A and B. Now, we can achieve in another way by using the exponential symbol also. Now, what will the output? 4, 5, 6, 7 for the both statement. Then we can see about semantic difference update. What the semantic difference update will do? It just takes the result of semantic difference of A and B and stores in the A. Okay, A dot semantic difference update of B. So what is the result? They are 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be stored in A. While printing A and B, A is 4, 5, 6, 7 and B is 8, 2, 6, 7. Okay, so B value is not changed, it is similar, and A value is updated. This is the use of symmetric difference.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.